Welcome to AYATIUM. What do you call a comet that doesn't behave like a comet? This is the mystery of 3I'S, a celestial enigma baffling astronomers. This mysterious visitor, drifting through our solar system, has changed color for the third time in an incredibly short period, a phenomenon that is highly unusual for typical comets. For astronomers, this rapid color shifting is a giant red flag, indicating that 3I'S is far from a normal comet. Its behavior challenges our fundamental understanding of these icy wanderers. A typical comet is a relatively simple composition, a ball of ice, dust, and frozen gases. As it approaches the sun, heat causes these materials to sublimate, releasing vapor and dust to create a glowing coma and tail. The chemistry of a typical comet remains consistent, leading to a predictable appearance and color. Its spectral signature, and thus its color, generally stays the same throughout its journey. However, 3I'S defies this norm. It keeps changing its spectral signature, shifting from one dominant glow to another, indicating a profound internal difference. This isn't merely a cosmetic shift, it's a crucial clue that something within the object is fundamentally different from any comet we've observed before. The color changes in a comet's coma and tail are direct indicators of the elements evaporating from its nucleus. Each color tells a story about its chemical makeup. If a comet suddenly glows green, it suggests the presence of cyanogen or diatomic carbon. A blue glow often indicates dominating ions like carbon monoxide or ammonia. A reddish hue, on the other hand, points to an increase in sodium or significant dust scattering. These spectral signatures are like chemical fingerprints. 3I'S, however, is flipping between these states rapidly, not gradually. This suggests two primary possibilities for its bizarre behavior. First, its internal composition could be extremely unusual, unlike anything found in our solar system. Second, its structure might be inherently unstable, actively reshaping itself as it travels. Astronomers are therefore concluding that this object might not be a normal comet at all, but something far more exotic and intriguing. One compelling possibility is that 3I'S is an interstellar visitor, originating from beyond our solar system. We've encountered such objects before. Oumuamua in 2017 and Borisov in 2019 were two such interstellar objects. Both exhibited strange behaviors that didn't fit the standard comet model. 3I'S is showing a similar pattern, with chemical signatures that do not match typical solar system bodies. Its trajectory confirms its origin outside our solar system. If 3I'S formed around another star, its ices and minerals would naturally be different. This could include different molecular ratios and unusual carbon structures. It might also contain exotic volatiles not common in our solar system, such as carbon dioxide, cyanide, and atomic nickel, which have been detected in its emissions. In this scenario, the color changes aren't random. They are the unique fingerprints of an alien origin, a chemical signature from a different stellar nursery. Another theory suggests 3I'S is literally transforming as it approaches the sun, not merely melting or burning, but revealing different layers of itself in stages. Imagine peeling back geological time, where an outer shell evaporates, producing one color, then a middle layer evaporates, creating another distinct color. Finally, core materials ignite, producing a third color. This sequential exposure of volatiles would perfectly explain its shifting identity. In astrophysics, this phenomenon is known as sequential volatile exposure. In simpler terms, the comet is showing who it truly is, layer by layer. Some scientists propose an even more radical idea. 3I'S could be part of a family of objects we barely understand, a hybrid unlike typical comets or asteroids. It might be a chemically complex, dynamically unstable wanderer born in violent conditions around another star, traveling at an exceptional speed of over 210,000 kilometers per hour. In this view, 3I'S isn't misbehaving. We are simply witnessing, for the first time, what an unfiltered interstellar relic truly looks like up close. It's a cosmic migrant carrying the chemistry of a different sun, a fragment of another system, offering a rare chance to study materials from beyond our solar system. If 3I Atlas truly is interstellar, it's not just a comet. It's a profound message, a sample of another world, a clue to how different the universe may be from our small corner. Most comets tell the story of our solar system's past, preserving a primordial record of its formation. They are time capsules of our cosmic neighborhood. But 3I Atlas may be telling the story of someone else's past, a glimpse into the history and chemistry of a distant stellar system. For scientists who love mysteries, 3I Atlas is a goldmine of information, challenging existing theories and opening new avenues of research. Its unusual acceleration, not explained by gravity alone, and its high orbital eccentricity further add to its enigmatic nature. Stay curious and keep watching the sky. Thanks for your watching and see you next time.